Yazid Faqir said, "This viewpoint of the schismatic got embedded in my heart that the major sins doers will remain in hell forever. I then intended to perform pilgrimage with a big group of people and thought to promulgate this stance after performing the Hajj." Yazid says that they reached Medina Munawwara to see Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu sitting propped against one of the pillars of Masjid Nabawi narrating a hadith, and a great number of people were listening to that hadith. All at once Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah mentioned the damned. I whereupon said to him, O the companion radiyallahu anhu of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what type of hadith are you narrating? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, Verily, whomsoever you cause enter hell, him you have surely humiliated. Surah Al Imran, verse 192, and says, whenever they will wish to come out from there, they will be returned back into the same. Surah Sajda, verse 20. So how are you narrating a hadith contrary to these verses? Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, have you read the Quran? I replied, yes. He then said, have you read in the Holy Quran that station of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on which he will be made to stand? I replied, yes. He said, the Prophet's station is that praiseworthy station that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, due to his standing there, will bring the damned out of hell on account of his intercession. Yazid Faqir then said, he radiyallahu anhu then narrated the Sirat bridge and the way the people will cross it. Yazid said, I think I could not remember that description well. However, he said some people will quit hell after entering it. Abu Nu'aym said, they will exit hell in this state as if they were the burnt woods of ebony. Those people then will enter any of the canals of paradise and take a bath therein, and then come out from that canal as white as a page. Hearing this hadith, we left that place and we said to one another, woe on you people, the dissenters! Do you think this holy elderly man can attribute a false statement to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Hence, according to Abu Nu'aym, hearing this hadith, all saves one renounced the beliefs of the dissenters. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 472.